Welcome to Random Pizza Jokes with me, Papa Za. Each episode will have 5 pizza jokes. You can tell us which one you like the best, or you can tell us which one was the worst. And if you got a pizza joke for us, leave it in the comments. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Why did the pizza start its own business? It wanted to make some real dough. Why did Jabba win the pizza contest? Because no one out-pizzas the Hut. Someone started a fight by throwing dough, cheese, and tomato sauce at me. So I said, "You want a piece of this?" What's a hairdresser's favorite type of pizza? A Parmesan pizza. Why do people like making lasagna? 'Cause it's a pizza cake. Well, those were something. We'll be back with 5 more pizza jokes, hopefully better than those ones. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more.